Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So, welcome to day 8 of our content challenge. So, our topic today will be how to create lesson based videos that students love to watch and share. So, that's what we want to educate you guys on today challenge. So, one, start with a problem. First thing, if you want to create a very good videos, lesson videos that student will love, okay? First, start with a problem. Begin with a question or topic students struggle with. If it's mathematics, some students always have this problem of solving negative and positive sign. Another one again that some students also find difficult to solve is fraction. So be able to start with those ones, those simple ones first, because those are the fundamentals of mathematics. Okay. Two, keep the explanation simple. Don't make it to be too complex. Make it to be very simple. Sometimes you can give them a hint on how they can even arrive or solve it. Just give them 2 or 3 hints so that anytime they see such question again, they come across it. It will be very easy for them to what? To solve. So under this, keep the explanation simple. We say use simple words, example, and step-by-step explanation. Use simple words. Like for example, you can do it step 1, step 2, step 3. So once they see step 1, they know this is the first step they're supposed to use. Once they see step 2, they will know. They see step 3 and they will know. And the final step, they will also know. Okay? So let's move to the number 3 of it. Make the video short and focused. Such type of video should be short and focused. Go straight to the point and you're done. If it's a 1 minute video, solve everything within that same 1 minute. If it's a 60 seconds video, solve everything within that same 60 seconds. If it's 30 seconds, solve everything within that same 30 seconds. So make it to be very what? Short and simple. So teach one clear idea instead of putting too many topics in one video. Just if it's only one you are picking, if it's only negative and positive calculation, which students find very difficult to solve, if it's only that one you pick, you break it down for them. It will be very easy for them to understand. Not picking one topic here, you pick another one inside that same video. I don't think most of the students will comprehend. Okay. Now, 4, use real life examples. Take notes. Use real life examples. So under this one, it says connect the lesson to things students see in everyday life. Yes. Like this positive and negative. You can connect it to real life. You can use objects. You can use human being to what? To place example for them to understand better. Yes. Because most students, they get to understand better when you use real life objects to explain concepts to them. Okay, when you use real life object. But if you just write it on the board, they'll be think it's abstract to them. But once you use things that they see every day, it can be book, it can be paper, it can be phone, it can be wristwatch. So you explain it to them using it. So anytime they come across such problem, the first thing that will come to their mind is if they see wristwatch or they see problem, they will not remember, my teacher said it that this is, they'll use it to relate to that particular question. Okay. So number 5, add a strong opening. So if you want to introduce that topic, add a very strong opening or hook. So start with something like, can you solve this in 30 seconds? Now, the student will be like, 30 seconds? How will I solve this kind of question in 30 seconds? Is it possible? So they start thinking about it. Is it possible to solve this question in 30 seconds? They keep thinking about it. So that is it. So like what I say you can use 30 seconds, 50 seconds to finish that particular topic. Make it to be short and simple and straightforward. Just go straight to the point. You don't need to start beating around the bush. Okay? So Let's go to the sixth one. End with engagement. When you are done with your video, at the bottom of it, if it's Facebook, you can like, drop comment on it. Ends with engagement. So this is what you're going to do. Ask students a simple question and encourage them to comment, answer, and share the video. At the end of the day, you can say, please like, comment, and share this video. Okay, so now with all this I've stated now, final conclusion or the formula you should use: 1. Hook, teach, example, question, call to action. That's the things that you need. Hook, teach, example, give example. That is, hook means the thing you're going to say. Can you solve this question in 30 seconds? You teach it. You give example. What I said, real life examples. Okay, you question them. Can you solve this? If you know you can solve this, or you give them another question under it again. From there, call to action is, please drop your comment on the comment section, like and share. So with all this, the goal is not just to teach, make students want to watch, learn, comment, and share. That is the goal. So with this now, I've explained to you how you can create lesson note that students will like to share and comment. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and comment on this video. See you next time in day 9 of our challenge. Bye bye.